Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home, right? I'm your English teacher in Whittle Matriculation School. Have you all had your breakfast, dears? Well, cuties, today we are going to see continuation of last class. What we see in the last class? Last class, we see the book back exercises, right? What are the write the names of the insects? It is spider. It is bumblebee. This one is a housefly. Okay. Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Bumblebee. B-U-M-B-L-E-B-E-E. Bumblebee. Housefly. H-O-U-S-E, house, fly, F-L-Y, fly, house fly. Next one, tick the correct one. A, dragonfly is dash. It is blue in color. Dragonfly is blue. B, ant walks with its legs. Ant walk with its legs. L-E-G-S, legs. C, the insects live near the pond. P-O-N-D, pond. D, the bumblebee has stripes of yellow and black. It has stripes of yellow and black color. Okay, it has yellow and black color stripes. Okay, like this, stripes. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. E, the tongue of the chameleon is dash. The tongue of the chameleon is sticky. It is sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky. Okay, dears, next match the following. Ant, march. Ant, march. Caterpillar, crawl. Caterpillar, crawl. Snail, slide. Snail, slide. Okay, ant, march. Caterpillar, crawl. Snail, slide. Okay. Take page number 107, dears. Here are some of the balloons you have to color. Okay. First one, name the insects. Read the story, The Boy and the Butterfly. Recite the poem, Incy Wincy Spider. Name actions related to insects. Answer using here it is. Say and read the words with er and est. Read words from the word wall. Use in, on, under and near in the sentence. Ask and answer questions with where. Okay, here are some of the questions you have to answer. Which one? Okay, name the insects. If you answer this one, you have to color this balloon. Okay, dears. If you answer this one, then you have to color this one. If you answer this one, you have to color this one. Likewise, you have to color all the balloons given here. Page number 106. Here are the learning outcome. When you learn these things, you can color the balloon. Okay, dears. Now we are going to see page number 107, third lesson, the world around us. The world around us. நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்க இந்த உலகம். சரியா? the world around us. Here is a girl like you. What she say? My house is located near the mountain. Where her house is located? Her house is located near the mountains. Here is a mountain. So, her house is located near the mountain. Okay. My house is located near the mountain. Where is yours? அவளோட வீடு மலைகளுக்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கு. உங்களோட வீடு எங்க இருக்கு அப்படின்னு அவ கேட்குறா. சரியா? Next one. Look and say. What is this? It is a desert. It is a desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. Oasis. Oasis. O-A-S-I-S. Oasis. O-A-S-I-S. Oasis. This is a volcano. This is volcano. எரிமலை. Okay. Volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. Next one, here it is a plain. What is this? It is a plain. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Here is a island. What is this? Island. Spelling I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. S is silent here. So you have to pronounce S as island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. Okay. Desert. Desert. Oasis. Oasis. Plain. Plain. Volcano. Volcano. Island. Island. Here, glacier. It is called as glacier. G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Glacier. G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Glacier. This is a glacier. G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Glacier. Next one. This is a valley. What is this? It is a valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. Next, here it is a mountain. What is this? It is a mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. This is a river. What is this? This is a river. Here it is a river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Here it is a small, this is a big water space, so it is called as river. This is a small water space, it is called as lake. What is this? It is a lake. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Glacier. Glacier. Valley. Valley. Mountain. Mountain. River. River. Lake. Lake. Okay, recall with me one time. First one, desert. Desert. Volcano. Oasis. Plain. Island. Glacier. Glacier. Valley. Valley. Mountain. Mountain. River. River. Lake. Lake. Next page. Let us sing. Now, today we only read this. After the reopen of the school, we can sing along with the actions. Okay? Beauty of nature. Beauty of nature. இயற்கையின் அழகு. Beauty of nature. Here is a natural scenery, right? This is a natural scenery given below. Mountains are the highest, valleys are the lowest, plains are flat like a mat. Don't we all know that? Islands have water all around. Thousands of these can be found. Deserts have sand and palm trees. Oceans have waters from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. There is no other place that is akin. Okay? First one, mountains are the highest. We see in this picture, which is the highest one? It is a mountain. It is a highest one. So, mountains are the highest one. This is the mountain. It is the highest. Okay. Mountains are the highest. Next one, mountains are the highest, valleys are the lowest. Where is the valley? Here. So here is a valley. Okay. This is the highest one. Valley is the lowest one. Okay. Mountains are highest. Valleys are lowest. Next one. Plains are flat like a mat. Plains are flat like a mat. Here are the plain. It is flat surface. It is in flat surface. So plains are flat like a mat. Don't we all know that? இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு தெரியாதா? இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு தெரியும். Don't we all know that? Next one. Islands have water all around. Islands have water all around. Where is the island? Islands have only water all around. தீவுலலாம் தண்ணி தான் எங்கேயுமே நிறைந்திருக்கும். Okay. Islands have water all around. Thousands of these can be found. ஆயிரக்கணக்கான இது மாதிரி ஆயிரக்கணக்கானது நமக்கு பார்க்க முடியும். Deserts have sand and palm trees. Which tree? Palm tree. பனை மரம். Deserts have only sand. Desert means பாலைவனம். This is a desert. Okay. We only find sand and palm trees. Okay. So deserts have sand and palm trees. Oceans have waters from many seas. Oceans have waters from many seas. Many seas has water which united on the ocean. Okay, which united on the ocean. Ocean is a large water area. Okay, dears. Oceans have waters from many seas. Okay, oceans have water from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. Beautiful is the planet. Planet means கோள்கள். நம்ம இருக்க இந்த கோள் மிகவும் அழகானது. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. There is no other place that is akin. இது மாதிரி உலகத்தில் வேற எந்த இடமுமே இல்லை. இது இந்த உலகம் தான் ரொம்ப அழகானது. சரியா? Beauty of nature. Beauty of nature. Mountains are the highest. Valleys are the lowest. Plains are flat like a mat. Don't we all know that? Islands have water all around. Thousands of these can be found. Deserts have sand and palm trees. Oceans have waters from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. There is no other place that is akin. Okay, dears. This is the beauty of nature. This is the beauty of our nature. Okay. Today your homework is you have to write these words in your note. Okay. First word desert, second one volcano, third one oasis, fourth one plain, fifth one island, sixth one glacier, seventh one valley, eighth one mountain, ninth one river, 10th one, lake. Lake is the 10th one. You have to write these words in your homework note and take a picture of it. Send it in our group. Okay, dears? Students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.